Good day everyone! Hello, it's me again, and today I will explain how our body synthesizes a non-essential amino acids called alanine. So, amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. They are needed for growth, tissue repair, enzyme production, and mainly body functions. Some amino acids are called essential because we must get them from food, and others are called non-essential because our body can produce them on its own. And the alanine is one of these non-essential amino acids. So let's get started. How alanine is synthesized. The body mainly produces alanine through the process called transamination. Step 1, the pyruvate is produced. So when we eat carbohydrates such as rice, bread, or fruits, our body breaks glucose down through the glycolysis. This process produces a substance called pyruvate. Step 2, the amino group is added. An enzyme called alanine aminotransferase transfers an amino group from the amino acid glutamate to pyruvate. And last, the step 3, alanine is formed. After receiving the amino group, pyruvate becomes an alanine, while the glutamate is converted into alpha ketoglutarate. So this is the simple equation. This is why alanine is important. Alanine has several important functions. First, it helps build and repair body tissues. It helps produce proteins, carries nitrogen safely from muscles to the liver, and last, it helps maintain normal blood glucose level through the glycose-alanine cycle, especially during the exercise or fasting. In clinical application, alanine is important in medicine because the enzyme alanine aminotransferase is commonly measured in blood tests. If alanine aminotransferase are high, it may indicate liver damage caused by the conditions such as hepatitis, fatty liver disease, or liver injury. So, let's make it simple. Think of pyruvate as a plain toy block. The enzyme alanine aminotransferase adds an amino group, just like attaching a new piece to the toy block. Once the new piece is attached, the block becomes a new product, which is alanine. So, before we end our discussion today, our topic is how our body synthesizes a non-essential amino acids, which is the alanine. So, let me summarize it. Alanine is non-essential amino acid because our body can produce it without needing to obtain it directly from the food. It is synthesized when pyruvate receives an amino group from glutamate through the enzyme alanine aminotransferase. So, alanine is essential for protein synthesis, muscle metabolism, nitrogen transport, and maintaining blood sugar levels. It is also clinically important because alanine aminotransferase is used to evaluate liver health. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Bye!